Good evening everyone. Today we are going to start worksheet 2 of chapter 2, that is factors and multiples of class 6th. Question number 1 is, look at the following numbers and fill in the blanks. 435, 6552, 988, 3870, 5211, 9343. The numbers, you have to mark the numbers which are divisible by 2. तो इस वर्कशीट करने से पहले आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉट यू अबाउट द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स. सो व्हाट डज द डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2 सेज? A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at one's place is divisible by 2. मतलब whatever the number is given to you, you have to just check for the ones place digit. If it is divisible by 2, then this whole number will be divisible by 2. Okay, so divisibility by 2 says that ones place digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now just mark all the ones place digit: 5, 2, 8, 0, 1, 3. Now in first number 435, ones place digit is 5, so it will not be divisible by 2. Ones place digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Second number is ones place digit is 2, satisfying the condition. So first number, if this number is divisible by 2, then this whole number will be divisible by 2. So first answer is 6552. Now next is ones place digit is 8. 8 should be there for the divisibility by 2, है ना. 8 को आप 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स 988 will be completely divisible by 2. So second number is 988. Now third one is ones place number is 0. Our condition is also saying that ones place digit should be 0. So again this number will be divisible by 2. And over here ones place digit is 1. It will not be divisible by 2. Ones place digit is 3. It will not be divisible by 2. Okay, so your first question is complete. 3 answers are there. Now second, these numbers are given to you. He's saying the number that are divisible by 5. Now divisibility by 5, what was the rule? The number is divisible by 5 if the digit at ones place is 0 or 5. तो जो आपका ones place का नंबर है, that should be either 0 or 5. Now just mark all the ones place digit. 2, क्या ये 5 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा? नो, हमारे पास क्या नंबर चाहिए? 0 और 5, सो इट विल नॉट बी डिविजिबल. नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर, मार्क द वंस प्लेस डिजिट. 5, that means this number will be divisible. So 9765 is the first answer. Now mark the ones place digit. 0 is here, so it is satisfying our condition. So 1000 is also divisible by 5. Now next is ones place is 2. It will not be divisible. Now last number ones place digit is 5. वंस प्लेस में 5 आ गया. एंड 5 की डिविजिबिलिटी के लिए वंस प्लेस पे या तो 0 होना चाहिए या 5 होना चाहिए. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. सो नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 28,775. Fine. Now let us move on to the next question. These numbers are given to you. The numbers that are divisible by 10. Now what is the divisibility by 10? See here, a number is divisible by 10 if the digit at ones place is 0. So ones place digit should be 0. Now mark the numbers. See, ones place digit is 0, so this number will be divisible by 10. Again ones place digit is 0, so that means 10,000 will be divisible by 10. Next, ones place digit is 7, so this number will not be divisible by 10 because at our ones place number that should be a 0. Now next, ones place digit is 4. Again this number will not be divisible by 10. Next number, ones place digit is 0. So yes, this number will be divisible by 10. So these are your 3 answers. Fine. Now next, these numbers are given to you. You have to check that the numbers which are divisible by 4. Now what was the divisibility rule of 4? Here is the divisibility rule. The number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the digits at tens and ones place is divisible by 4. Okay, so over here, see, the ones and tens place digit is 24. Now just check for, is it divisible by 4? 4 6 are 24. Yes, it is divisible. Remainder has become equal to 0. ठीक है, तो अगर ये 24 completely divide हो रहा है 4 से, that means this total number will be divisible by 4. So our first answer is 4924. Now next, mark the ones and tens place digit. It is 02. So 02 means simply 2. So is 2 divisible by 4? No. So this is not your answer. Now next is 07. क्या 7 4 के टेबल में आता है? नहीं आता है. वी कैन नॉट डिवाइड इट बाय 4. मतलब आप जब डिवाइड करेंगे रिमाइंडर विल नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. 7 is not completely divisible by 4. There will be some value of the remainder. So this is not the answer. Now last is, mark the ones and tens place digit number 72. Now let us check, is 72 divisible by 4? 4 ones are 4, 7 minus 4 is 3, 2, 4 eights are 32, remainder is 0. So yes, 72 is divisible by 4. That means if 72 is divisible by 4, then this total number will be divisible by 4. So our second number will be 36,572. So this is your answer. Now last, these numbers are given. You have to check either these are divisible by 8 or not. So what was the divisibility rule of 8? A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed at 100, tens and ones place is divisible by 8. है ना? So what you have to do, mark all the numbers which are at 100, tens and ones place and check either these are divisible by 8 or not. So just check for the 984. 8 ones are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 8 twos are 16, 18 minus 16 is 2, 4, 8 threes are 24, so remainder is 0. So yes, 984 is divisible by 8. That means this complete number will be divisible by 8. This is your first answer. Now second, 100, tens and ones place. 832. Is it divisible by now 8? Just check for it. So 832, 8 ones are 8, 0. 3 will come down, but 8 के टेबल में 3 नहीं आता है. We have to take both the digit. For this over here it will be 0. 8 4s are 32. Remainder is 0. So yes, it is again completely divisible. 832. So that means this total number will be divisible by 8. So second answer is 3,65,832. Now next is, now is 98 divisible by 8? 8 ones are 8. No, it will not be divisible. Okay, and next number is 5.